Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now, in this one, I'm going to be trying out the Samsung Dex thingy. So that's why I'm recording with my old phone, because I have, the PC turned off. So yeah, to set this up, what you need is a USB cable that isn't from Samsung, or at least the cable that came with the phone. It doesn't work for this, so you need a more beefy cable. If you buy the Thunderbolt branded cables, they should work. This is a Thunderbolt branded cable, as you can see. So yeah, that should work just fine. So what you want to do is you just want to plug it in here into your phone, and you want to plug in the other side into your monitor as well. So let me just fire up my monitor here. Yeah, so in this case I'm using a USB-C to a USB-C cable because my monitor supports USB-C, as you can see here. So the first thing is, when you fire this up just normally, it's gonna look like this. So you actually need to enable Samsung Dex, and to do that just go over to your notifications panel and just click on this Dex icon, and then you should see the Dex thing pop up here. Now you can also slide down the notification, and you can use this phone as a touchpad. This is because I don't have a USB keyboard connected at the moment. Let me just put this here. Yeah, so I 3D printed a nice kind of stand for it. So that way, it's not just lying flat on the table. And while in Samsung Dex, you can actually just use, your phone as normally. And if you had a mouse and if you had a Bluetooth keyboard, which I don't, you can, control this individually, but we're just going to control it with this fucking thing. So by default, if you were to go into settings here, and if you were to go into Samsung Dex, and if you were to go into display resolution, now normally by default you should only have 1080p. So to fix that, what you want to do is you want to disconnect from this, and then you want to go over to Good Luck. And then, so while you're in, I already have it opened, but anyway, while you're inside Good Luck, you want to go into Life Up section. You want to go into Multi-Star. Then you want to go into I Love Samsung Dex. And then you want to enable this first one saying high resolutions for external displays, and run many apps at the same time. So by default, Dex only allows you to run 5 apps on the desktop, but you can increase that to more if you wanted to, like so. So yeah, that's the only kind of thing you need to change here. Then once you go back into Dex, check where is it? Yeah, once you go back into Dex, you should have all these resolutions for your monitor here. So yeah, that is good. So let's check out the other kind of settings, because these settings are only available in while Samsung Dex is connected. So here we can auto start when HDMI is connected, which is fine. So yeah, we'll enable that. And then we have font size. Now honestly, font size looks alright for me, so I'm just gonna go back. We have screen zoom. Now screen zoom is set at minimum, which is fine for me. It's like, the proper resolution. Say wallpaper, we can change the wallpaper to just kind of the default ones that come with Samsung. So we'll just change that for both of these. Just make it a little bit darker. Let's see what else is here. So we have app badge icons, not really sure what that is, so let's just go back. Let's see, taskbar. Yeah, so we have the navigation buttons here at the bottom, and so yeah, pretty good shit. Then we can also auto hide the taskbar, which is nice. So then if I just go down here, yeah, it kind of behaves like, you know, the Windows auto hide kind of thing. So yeah, let's leave it at that. Let's see, we have keyboard on screen. Show on screen keyboard in Samsung Dex. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's check out more settings. Okay, so these are just the default kind of fucking settings, which is fine. Alright, well, crap, we got out of that. Okay, so mouse and trackpad. Flow pointer to phone screen. What is this? Set the mouse pointer to flow from the monitor. Alright, so you can control it. Yeah, okay, well, we're not doing that, so. Make your phone for DexPad. So yeah, when Dex runs, yeah, we can do that by default, since I won't be getting a Bluetooth keyboard anytime soon. You could also use a dongle to connect this, so you can have a HDMI going into the dongle, and I tried that as well, but it's a bit fucking annoying. It's just easier having one cable kind of going in. So yeah, right, so gesture down scrolls up. Wait, what? Alright, anyway, touchpad gestures. Tap with 3 fingers. Oh, interesting. Okay, gotcha. So if I tap the phone with 3 fingers, it'll go back. Yeah, nice. That actually worked. And if I tap with 4 fingers, it'll open the home screen. So nice. That worked as well. That is pretty cool. So that's all you need, really. Alright, let's see more settings. Alright, cool, great. So yeah, that's all fine. Okay. So S Pen mode. Drag the end pen. Okay. Hover. Right. Okay. Well, whatever. Just grand. Now, play audio through the connected TV or monitor by default. Now we won't bother doing that. And so yeah, that's it really for the Samsung Dex kind of settings. So let's go into our folder here and let's search. There we go. So we have a keyboard there pop up on the phone instead of the thing here. So that's actually fucking perfect. So I'm gonna search for YouTube here. And then I can still move it, which is nice. There we go. So now I can minimize it, or maximize it, I mean. And let me just search for NCS or something like that. So no copyright sounds, which occasionally gets me copyrighted, which is fucking funny, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's play this one. Alright. Can I go full screen? Full screen, baby. Alright, nice, perfect. So yeah, this is literally just like watching YouTube on your fucking PC. Except now you don't need to run your PC, you just run your phone and charge it at the same time. So yeah, pretty sick stuff. You can change the quality, or maybe you can't do shit. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so you can't really tweak the fucking video playback for some reason, and what the fuck is this? Can I get rid of this shit? Alright. Anyway, let's try. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, so 3 fingers to go back, right? Oh fuck, fuck? Well, that just exited the whole thing. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, so let me open that shit again. Let me go into 4K video and see if, you know, it's actually 4K, or I already have it searched there. So let's go to this Costa Rica fucking thing. Okay, so alright, I see the settings up here. Jesus. Okay, so we have quality 720p. Yeah, we can go all the way up to 1080p HDR. And let me fucking full screen this. Oh, shit. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. This looks good enough to me. Alright, so 4 fingers to get out. Oh Christ, 4 fingers to get out again. Okay, that's... Okay, so 3 fingers to go back, back, back. Alright, why are you still playing? What the fuck? Okay, well, it is what it is. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Let's see, what do we have here? We have screen capture. Very cool. Let me just delete that shit. No, fuck it, it's gone. We have this thing for the audio, which is nice. We have notifications, cool. Then we have all of our shit here as well. So yeah, pretty much like a Chromebook, which is interesting. But yeah, pretty cool. And then I suppose I can exit Dex like so, and then it'll just go back to, you know, the normal kind of Android screen share. So if I rotate like the phone sideways, maybe the other way. Alright then. I think it only works if I open up like an app or something. Yeah, there we go. So if I rotate it sideways, it does go actually, like, rotates the screen as well. So yeah, that is not bad. Not bad at all. So that's pretty cool. I will play around with this a little bit more later on. But yeah, overall, quite happy with it. So yeah, thank you boys for watching. I'll see you next episode. Bye bye.